In this video, we're going to be translating an argument and determining its validity. Okay, and I have already made a previous video on the validity of an argument that I cover some of this as well. And there, you might want to go watch that video first if you don't have any idea how to solve this problem. Okay, so let P and Q be the following statements. The bake sale is on Friday. Boris is making cookies. Okay, so these are our statements. Now we're going to have a couple premises that we're going to have to write here. Okay, first, if the bake sale is on Friday, then Boris is making cookies. If P, bake sale's on Friday, then Q, Boris is making cookies. Okay, so P, then Q. Okay, premise 2, the bake sale is not on Friday. So that's not P. Okay, and in conclusion, I can put a therefore here. Boris is not making cookies, so not Q. Okay, now it's asking us if this is valid or not. So let's look at our arguments that are valid and not valid right here. Okay, do we see any of them on the list that says P then Q, not P, conclusion, not Q? Okay, and that is this one right here, and it says that is an invalid argument. Okay, so no, that is not valid. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So let P and Q be the following statements. It is Maya's birthday. We are having pasta for dinner. The premise is it is Maya's birthday, or we are having pasta for dinner. Okay, the or is the V. Looks like a V in the middle. So Maya's birthday, P or Q. P or Q must be true. It is Maya's birthday or we are having pasta. Premise number 2, not Maya's birthday. So it's not P. Not P. That's how I write not P. Therefore, we are having pasta for dinner. Therefore, Q. Okay. So one or the other has to be true. It's saying that because, well, one or the other has to be true because it's either Maya's birthday or we are having pasta. If it's not Maya's birthday, then it follows that we must be having pasta for dinner. Let's confirm that by seeing if it follows one of our laws. Okay, and here it is. Okay, if P or Q is true and P is not true, then Q must be true. So is that valid? Yes, it is. Let's look at another one. Let P and Q be the following statements. Ravi is at the beach is P. Q is Ravi is wearing sandals. And R is Ravi is comfortable. Okay, premise 1. If Ravi, I did not need to put an E on these. Not sure why I did. Okay, if Ravi is at the beach, then Ravi is wearing sandals. If Ravi is at the beach, so if P, then sandals, he's wearing sandals, that's Q. If P, then Q. Okay. And then the second one says, if Ravi is wearing sandals, then Ravi is comfortable. Okay, so if Q, sandals, then R, comfortable. If P, then Q, if Q, then R. And the conclusion is, therefore, if Ravi is at the beach, then Ravi is comfortable. Okay, so if Ravi is at the beach, then Ravi is comfortable. So that would be P, then R. Okay, so that is the law of syllogism, right? If you go from one thing to the next and then from the second thing to the third, then first thing goes to the third. Okay, so P and R, and that is valid. Yes. Okay, last one. Let P and Q be the following statements. Raphael is at a party, and Q is Raphael is wearing boots. Premise 1, Raphael is at a party or Raphael is wearing boots. That's going to be P or Q. That's the V. Okay. Raphael is not at the party, so not P. Therefore, Raphael is wearing boots. Therefore, Q. Okay. So remember it says Raphael is at the party or he's wearing boots. If he's not at the party, it should follow that he is wearing boots, but let's confirm. Let's look in our laws, and it looks like it's right here. The law of disjunctive syllogism. Okay, it's this one and it says it is valid. So yes, and that's it.